CN molding, medical plastic buttons, precision manufacturing, safeguarding health professional quality, dedicated to healthcare. CN Molding is a leading manufacturer of medical plastic components, specializing in the R&D and production of high-standard plastic buttons for medical applications. Our products are widely used in medical devices, diagnostic equipment, surgical instruments, and patient monitoring systems. With exceptional precision, durability, and biocompatibility, we provide safe and reliable solutions for the global healthcare industry. Product advantages: high precision and consistency. Utilizes precision injection molding technology to ensure tight dimensional tolerances compliant with medical standards. EGI ISO E3485, perfectly fitting various medical device assemblies. Smooth, burr-free surface with a refined tactile feel, preventing bacterial buildup and facilitating sterilization. Medical-grade materials. Uses USP Class VI, FDA, and RoHS-certified engineering plastics, for example, POM, PC, PP with excellent chemical resistance, impact strength, and wear resistance. Optional, antibacterial, antistatic, modified materials for specialized medical applications. Strict production environment, manufactured in a 100,000 class cleanroom to eliminate contamination risks and ensure product purity. Full process quality control with rigorous testing, for example, bio-aging tests from raw materials to finished products. Customization services supports personalized designs, offering structural optimization, color coding, and anti-misappropriation features. Flexible production from small batch prototypes to mass production, ensuring fast turnaround. Applications: medical equipment control panels, buttons for ventilators, infusion pumps, dialysis machines, etc. Handheld device buttons, trigger components for endoscopes, ultrasound devices, syringes, etc. High-frequency sterilization environments, resistant to repeated autoclaving or UV sterilization with long-lasting durability. Why choose CN Molding? 15 years of medical molding experience, serving 300 global healthcare companies. One-stop solution. From mold development and injection molding to assembly and packaging. Rapid response, dedicated technical team, available 24/7 for customer support. Contact OSTEL 862152913487. WhatsApp, WeChat, +861 3061 707 408. Email, webmaster@cnmolding.com. CN Molding, empowering medical technology with precision manufacturing, protecting lives with reliable quality.